Masana pay, with me home by shewsa. Defending me fibe money na shewso. Tutumana money na sisi. Okay, my lovely people, we are back again. Let's make a portion of fruit juice. As you can see, I have my berries here. This is my strawberry, and this is my carrot, and this is my mango. So I just added a sliced banana. You understand? You see this if you tell me to eat this raw, I can't eat. I will vomit right now. But if I make juice, I can eat. So let's put them. Let's add a little nut powder. We are adding our chilled cold water. Let's blend. Many baby. It's all about the fruit juice. Charlie. Easy. So fruit juice is done. I said a portion of juice, and it has become a double of juice. Okay, so this is all you can do. Fruit juice, fruit juice, in a local way. So this is the fruit juice I was preparing. The taste is sweet and amazing, so healthy. Masana pay, with me home by shewsa. Defending me fibe money na shewso. Tutumana money na sisi, mami yo, minyami.